Igbo Area TV on Ndigbo.
Hello, great people. How are you doing? Political love can also go sour. Not only that erotic one. That is the case with Anambra right now. The pensioners reviewed that Obiano shower of love for them and realized there is a foul play. This one is not love but ojoro, wayo wayo. Anambra's love gone sour. It's been noted that before now there was one major union of political support for Anambra State Governor Willie Obiano. And it was the clan of people who have retired from various government works across the state. These pensioners have sung the praises, or better still, blown the trumpet of the governor to the high heavens. From what we know, a couple of years back, Obiano was described as best friend of pensioners by the leader of these retirees. In return, therefore, the governor too has never failed to exercise his love and care towards them, as he once said that their welfare was one of the highest important to his administration. But today, it seems that the story has changed. According to reports we gathered, it's not only that the love between the retirees and their governor has faded to the bottom. The both sides are now like cats and dogs. The pensioners are accusing the governor of refusing to pay their benefits since 2017. Oh my God. You can imagine that. It is exactly 3 years now he's been owing them. On gathering information from the two sides, we had it that the discussion between the leadership of the pensioners and the government on the issue has been put to a standstill for months now. So, Obiano, why did you stop? You are called a friend of the retirees, the pensioners. The relationship was rosy. What made it go so now? Why did you stop paying it? Where is the money going, Obiano? The other time it was local government money. You refuse local government election. You put people there by yourself. You collect money meant for local government. Today, now, it's pensioner. Something that is very unheard of in Anambra. The Anambra retirees, in order to show Governor Obiano that they are no longer in good terms with him, they did what they had not done before by rejecting his annual generosity of Christmas rice, describing it as a Greek gift. In addition to that, they told the governor to stop deceiving them with such gifts, hence insisting on the prompt payment of their benefits. Yes, so Christmas rice, how much? 20,000. But calculate their pensions from 2017 till now. It's more than that. Don't use Christmas rice to deceive them. Hey, guys, has to wisen up. Even for election, I think Nigerians should also be wise. During the election, some people collect to 2,000 and vote for the wrong candidates. This and at least you should start learning. The state chairman of Nigeria Union of Pensioners, Dr. Anthony Ugozo, who spoke on the issue, said that the government always give them rice at the end of every year, not minding that they are owing them. He added that the gift of rice is not written in any constitution, therefore it is a gift which the government is not mandated to give. Still speaking, he said that if their pension is being paid when it's supposed to be paid, harmonization done as it should be done, and arrears paid when it is supposed to be paid, without giving them any rice, that they will be more comfortable, yes, because they will even have enough money to buy the type of rice they want and still have enough money to attend to other needs. Man shall not live by rice alone. You can't deceive them. At the end of the year, you give them rice. Meanwhile, the attention can afford that rice and other things. But from my point of view, I think the state chairman of the Nigerian Union of Pensioners said what he said is true. Whether it's politically oriented or not, only if it will make the government to act accordingly. Because looking at it from other side, the masses are entitled to their government's palliative or whatever. It's from our resources. So rejecting anything from all the government makes no difference to the government. It is better accepted than rejected while poking on the main issue on ground. Yes, I think they should continue to accept the rice while making their demands. At least I say half bread is better than none. What they see first, use the rice. It will help during this Xmas. It's always an Xmas of rice eating. They should accept the rice while they still keep on pressing on their demand for their pension to be fully paid. Meanwhile, Obiano, please pay pensioners what they are owed. Pay them. The rice can then follow. Yes, you can give them rice, but pay them. Stop deceiving them with rice. Do the right thing and you will be remembered for this. Anambra had good record of payment of workers' salaries and pensions. We want the record to remain intact. This is also why we don't want anyone else to be governor of the state, but people who are really ready to serve and not be served. For no reason should you owe workers or pensioners. Obiano, act quickly. Hey, the other day I read the news and I was laughing. Hey, some organizations have outlived their welcome, but they don't know. People like Ohaneze, especially the junior Ohaneze. I heard Ohaneze said it will not recognize IPOB's security outfit for Southeast. That is the ESN, Eastern Security Network. Now, well, it's no longer news that the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, has launched the Eastern Security Network, ESN, a vigilante group that will tackle all forms of criminal activities in the region. I think it's launched in conjunction with other bodies in the East. But we had reports that the highest, according to them, highest Igbo socio-cultural group, Ohaneze Ndigbo, has distanced itself from the launch, showing that they are not in support of it. Well, Ohaneze, there is no time you are asked to throw your weight behind it. We have already known where you stand. So even your comment, your throwing of weight does not add anything. Hey, according to Ohaneze, IPOB did not consult them in the build-up of the launching. You could imagine. To consult you, why, Kwana? Yeah. So therefore, according to Ohaneze, it has made its position known through its youth wing on last Tuesday. The statement signed by the group's media and publicity secretary Osmond Nkoma, he said that the decision of IPOB to create the outfit was one-sided. Well, I think I support them for not consulting you. You could put sand inside the gari. You could make the whole thing. I think it is wise not to consult you. We don't know who is who self. The Ohaneze self that we had lately, that the North is in trying to inspire the selection. You could imagine them Yeti Allah forwarding material, a letter telling people their choice. Imagine influencing our election. Yeah, that's why I said earlier that some organizations have outlived their welcome. And the reason you outlive your welcome is if you don't do the right thing you're supposed to do. Anyway, as part of the statement, Ohaneze read that the statement read, that Ohaneze will not recognize the group and they can't support what they don't know the motive. Ohaneze, anyway, according to them, they were undermined, despite the fact that IPOB claimed that the vigilante group would work in conjunction with Nigerian police and other legitimate security agencies, as proof that it is law-abiding. Ohaneze said they will never be part of it. Ohaneze, I don't think IPOB wants you to even be part of it. So, pack one side. Even as IPOB has also said that the group would soon release phone numbers for the people to report criminal activities through them to prompt action, which Ohaneze still washed his hands off. Ohaneze, please, sapwakagi, your hands are dirty. I think your organization has been compromised, so I don't think there is anybody that cares about your support. Ohaneze, what have you done for the Igbo since the inception of your organization? What have you done? What have you done? Anyway, viewers, please add your comments. Tell us what you think about this Ohaneze's resolve. So that the day we keep going. Hey, also tell us what you think about the Anambra government and withholding of money meant for pensioners, instead giving them rice, deceiving them with Xmas rice, that if you pay their pension, they can afford that rice and all that. And please add your comments. Also, share this video, subscribe on our channel, click on the bell icon to get our updates. I'm Azuka OJ, bye for now.
Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.